make cookies.
Cookies. And we're going to make cookies with all this stuff right here. Eggs, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, butter, flour, and of course chocolate chips.
And the most important part is the one that'll make it the best. Shake!
Mix the shakes. And we're going to mix all together. Okay, let me show us how to do it. First, you're going to put the butter in.
First,
Yeah.
put the butter in.
Yeah. Unwrap the butter. 1 cup of butter.
First, you need to put the butter in.
Okay.
Which I'm going to do carefully.
Okay.
Because it could be kind of messy. And Butterfingers! It's giving me Butterfingers!
Don't wipe it on the counter. You gotta unwrap it and drop it in. Like this. Hold it here and let it drop. Hold it here. Like this right here. And then give it a little flick.
Wait. I'm just gonna rip it open. Gonna rip it open.
Hold it up and drop it in. There you go.
These are cookies. Oh, these are cookies. Oh,
Your cookies
these
on?
are cookies.
Okay, drop it in.
Maybe even sing to your cookies.
Maybe sing to them.
Maybe sing to the cookies. Okay?
Drop it in.
Try singing to the cookies so you know it'll work out.
Okay, now we gotta put the eggs. Drop the eggs in.
Now we need the eggs.
2 eggs.
Wait.
Drop them in. There you go. Very good. Good job. Now the sugar.
Sugar.
1/2 cup of cane sugar. We were using cane sugar.
This stuff.
Yep, that stuff. Dump it in. Yep, there you go. Looks good.
Now we need this.
Now the brown sugar. Dump it in. Clunk. And then the vanilla.
Don't forget the vanilla.
There you go. Dump it in.
I think it'll help with shaping it. We're gonna
Okay,
shape it.
now you have to say the magic word. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What's your magic word gonna be?
Cookies, cookies, ah!
Okay,
Cookies,
and then you gotta wave your hand over it and do like a magic spell.
Cookies, cookies,
And all that stuff mixed up.
Wait, do it again.
Nope. Okay, now it's the flour.
Flour, hand me the flour. Oh, this is
2
so
cups of
bad.
flour. Dump it in carefully. Make sure it goes right in the center. Plunk, 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 plunk.
It's kind of.
There you go. Good. Okay, pause for a second.
Wait.
Okay, now give her 5 shakes of salt.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that's good. Okay, next is baking powder. Tablespoonful.
Is it in there?
Okay, dump it in. Plunk, 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 plunk.
Looks kind of the same as the sugar.
Okay, very good. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't taste like it. Ready? Now wave your hand over it again. Wave, wave, wave. Alakazam.
Cookies, 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 cookies. I love cookies. Oil. Cookies, cookies. I love cookies.
Okay, next is
Specifically my dad's
chocolate chips.
Cookies.
dump them in. 2 cups. Dump it.
Wait.
Which one?
Start
That one
with
first. Ding, 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 ding. And there we go.
Sprinkle 'em on top.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Very good. Okay, wait, go back over there.
Cookies, cookies. I love cookies. It's
Last couple of secret ingredients. A big giant tablespoon of peanut butter.
Remember,
Dump it
don't
in.
tell anyone.
Okay, don't
Secret
tell anybody.
ingredients.
It's the secret
Don't.
ingredient.
Now remember, guys, don't tell anyone the secret ingredients.
There you go. Good. Let's scrape it off. Ready? Okay. And put a half cup of oatmeal. Put it in the bowl. There you go. Dump that in. Perfect. That's the last step. Ready? Wave your hand over it.
Oh, cookies, cookies. I love cookies, especially my dad's cookies.
And what we're going to do is you're going to fill up the shapes.
And scrunch them.
Just grab some in your hand. No, just a little bit. You don't need two hands, just one. I'm going to fill up. Not too much. Too much.
Fill this one.
Yeah, and a little bit in that one. You can probably do two with that. Like this, and some more over there. And then fill it in like this. There we go. Like that. Heart-shaped one. Now just a little bit more again. And put it in that one.
This one. This is the best part where we get to bake them.
Mm-hmm.
Some chocolates are on the outside.
Mm-hmm.
Now we got them. Once we get them all shaped, we're gonna remove the shape thing, and then we're gonna make more.
Yeah,
shapes.
I'll show you what to do. All right. Push it in. There you go. Okay. Ready? You help me. Grab the other side. We're gonna flip it over. Ready? And oops. Stuck. Get out of there. Ready and flip.
Flip, 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 flip.
Then you should be able to pull that off there.
Oh, and we only need to get like also these cookies are for the two of us.
All of us.
And you guys might want to grab a snack like cookies, like these cookies,
Yeah.
because this is gonna be pretty cool. Me and my dad are gonna do Smash Bros. Battle, and you guys are gonna watch it, and we're gonna have cookies too. So,
Okay. Look at those four. And I'll do the rest. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look at it. We're doing even more math now. Tell me, do you see anything wrong with the patterns?
I see one total mess up.
Uh-oh. You're supposed to go heart, circle, star,
Pulverize.
pulverize, or whatever that kind of star that is.
That's a
There we go.
pulverize.
Now we got a good pattern going. Heart, 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 circle, 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 star, star, star.
Wait, no. I'm gonna do it
flower,
for
flower,
you.
flower.
Wait, no. I'm gonna do it for you.
Okay, do it.
Heart, circle, star, pulverize. Heart, circle, star, pulverize. Heart, circle, star, pulverize.
There we go. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes.
And we don't have to put this in.
No, we'll use
don't
that
have
again
to
later.
just lay it in here.
Okay, ready, set. Okay, now we're waiting for our cookies to cook. In the oven. And then... oh, they're done. Dink. There we go. One gaku. Lay them over here to
We
cool
each
off.
get 4. 4.
And now it's time to eat, right?
Once we start the video with
Okay.
the GoPro.
Okay. Say goodbye. That's how we make cookies.
Bye. Need repairs on this. Need repairs on this. Dad?
Mm-hmm.
That's your own. That's your only. That's one of your only That's one of your own. That's your only heart cookie,
Uh-huh.
and you just ate it.
Just It's delicious.
So don't feel bad if you don't have any more heart cookies.
I don't. It was good though. It was worth it.